How long does it take to enter a building? 5 minutes? 10? What if we told you it takes less than 0.3 seconds? Let's see it in action. Here's the old way. Receptionist, please sign this logbook. Visitor struggles with a half-dried pen. Receptionist, now wait while I get approval. Meanwhile, the clock keeps ticking. Now here is Vista. The visitor scans a QR code or uses Face ID. Done in a flash. No back and forth. No waiting, no awkward "who are you here to see" questions. Vista instantly verifies credentials, checks access permissions, and logs the entry. Access is granted only to approved guests, seamless, secure, and smart. By the time you blink twice, entry is granted. No logbooks, no delays, just instant access. Speed isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Save time, enhance security, and eliminate manual errors. Why slow down when you can speed up? Upgrade to Vista today.